Hello everyone, today we're tuning this 1994 Mustang. It is a 363 cubic inch small block Ford with an aftermarket block, the dart block. It's a pump gas, Megasquirt ECU, has a single precision 76 mil on it through a T56 trans. We're going to get... Yeah, this thing should be pretty fun. I'm excited to get moving on it, making some power. Being a single 76 precision on a 363 cube deal, it ought to make a decent number. We're going to be limited on just boost level because it's currently got a 6-pound spring in it. I do have options to put a 9-pound spring in it. So with the 6-pound, our max boost level will be somewhere around 12, and the 9 will be around 18. So should make a good number up there, though. It's a pretty car. It is just a street car, nothing, not a drag car. It doesn't see any track times, just a toy. It's relatively, I mean, this thing's a pretty good sleeper. The ride height's not anything crazy. It's just got a normal, like a Cobra, knockoff Cobra looking wheel on it. So, yeah, this one's gonna be fun. I'm excited to get going on it. I'm gonna jump in it and get to programming this thing. Okay, just got wrapped up with this Mustang. We unfortunately developed a pretty bad exhaust leak after the first hit in high gear there, so it's going to go back to the customer. He's going to fix a couple things and bring it back when it's ready. Made a good torque number, made 534 foot-pounds of torque, 466 horsepower. I think it needs a camshaft change. I mean, check out the power curve. It's hard to see the RPM, I know, but this is 3,800, and that's 42. And up here is 52. You see how the curve's falling. So it's only on, it was like 6 pounds, creeping to about 8 or 9 up top. But again, we're only able to make one hit. There might be a little bit of power on the table with some timing up there. So it was, you know, but can't tell for now. So I have to fix it and bring it back. But yeah, it'll be cool when it's ready. It's unfortunate we weren't able to get a little bit further along with it today, but he can take it home and fix a couple things and drive it and enjoy it and bring it back where he's ready. That 530 foot-pounds of torque at 3,800 RPM is going to make it pretty gnarly to drive as it is on the street in reality. So, but that's it for this one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep following the rest of our dyno videos and our machining videos and our tech videos. We're going to keep posting these things up, so thanks for watching.